So we are going to be doing JSON data types. So we are going to be doing JSON data types now. Okay, so let's continue on what we were doing. Import JSON. Uh, so JSON with open JSON data.json RSR accessing data keys using keys. Once the JSON data is loaded, Python dictionary access the values using keys. Basically, in the data, we've got name and friends. In the data over here, as you can see, your name is going to John and friends are Mike and Sarah. So if you just do this, the data name, this is kind of like indexing data का name part में there's only John. So when you put in square brackets name, it will only give you John. But if you add inserted more, it would have given more. Like over here, if I've added Bob and Charlie and more, just if you keep on adding, then yeah, it will give you more and more. Now the thing is, this is a different data file, so the JSON the file, so it does not really matter. But over here, this is a very good example of that. Um, so let's go back over here where we are import JSON. We added this term data and the files are loaded. First, we will what is it? Access this data. Control C, Control V. Uh, can I keep on changing? Can I keep on changing the whatever? Um, I want to take a break. Fine, let's just go ahead. So this is the empty practice. So John, my um, accessible nested data. JSON objects can be nested, and we can access nested data by chaining keys. What do we chaining keys is so basically we're going to keep on adding different data like over here. Uh, this suppose like there's a person, and that person we've got name and age both. So for that person, we just want to find a name. So we have the double indexing. We have person first. First we'll go into person, and where it will find name. The name is Bob. So it will print Bob over here as you can see. So let's just copy this and put it into this. So we'll understand that import JSON data W plus. Let's open W plus. W plus is basically can read and write both. And over here just reading. If we just do this, we just want to print Bob. Let's go with one more Charlie. New data. It's not going to print anything because data is here with open data and then W, right, as out file. JSON dump data out file. So basically, this output.json, right? So this data, okay? So this particular file is opened as out file. So this is the variable this thing is assigned to. Basically, this is similar to if I write out file equal to this open. So it's like this actually. Where is that? Similar to, yeah. So if it's open, so if this is the variable over here, it is out file is equal to open this dot comma r, which form you have to hold it in. So it could be written as out file equal to output dot json comma w open or output dot json comma w, and it just indents it. Now let's do the big one. This is the data. Got a bunch of data here, the city, the hobbies and stuff. File path data1.json. So that's what you want to name the JSON file. Try with open or load file as file. So this new underscore data, if you're confused at where this new underscore data went to, so over here. So the original file data1.json, which is over here, where is it? Data.json, data1, or it's just a new file, whatever. You're just adding those to that this particular thing. So we are back on track. Okay. So what I was saying was the new underscore data over here we've got the file path, file underscore path is equal to data. So this is a variable, this is the file name. Try with open file path, basically opening this, comma r as file. Existing data json.load file. First we'll load it up. Except file dot follow error that existing data is the null. Existing data dot extend new data. So firstly what it does is if there's anything inside data1.json, so first we'll open it and load that thing. If it is not there, so accept basically what this will try and accept is file not found error. So there's no file, then this will be existing data would be null, and then we'll just add extended data as this. And normally this is what it is going to run. If there's no file called data1.json, this will just tell that there is no file. So this will try. There is I want to understand there's no file with open file path as file r. Existing data is json.file load file. Then except it will do this, in which if it is there or not there, whatever, it will just clear out that because this is null, nothing is there inside this. It will just replace everything with nothing, and then in that file it will add new data, which is this, which you are new underscore data. Then that's why it's called extend. That's a file that's just adding on. It's like appending. Appending is adding something to the end, right? With open file w as file json.extended data slash file indent 4 back to the file. So file over here was if it next equal to 2 breaks. So just printing record one over.